It was time when reunion had to do something. The love of the people was very few, but now we're getting famous and people are starting to love us. Let's go. Okay, just want to say this is reunion. Okay, K-Boy, Tears, and Swagboy. This is the introduction of the new album. Let's go.
Yeah, not just because you got the money don't mean you flow the money. We all flow the money cause we got all the money. Now we rep my flow like the Easter bunny. Yes, we got the cheers over there sitting on the couch, pouch, lounge.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. I'm a money maker, they come thermometer, so baby chop my money because I don't care. Yeah, T-Boy is the best, I doesn't do the West, and everybody knows me in the whole universe. Universe, yes, we're on the universe, like you both of us. I wrote the verse, and you know I'm the curse, but I'm just joking, I'm not the curse. I'm the lover of the girls in the world, like a universe, doing like a person. I'm playing soccer like Cristiano Ronaldo. I know that I'm not like Topic Plain, doing what you do best on the microphone, like I love reunion. I love reunion. Okay, I love reunion. Let's get it on, boy. Love reunion.
And now we're doing it to the end, cause this ain't the end, but we're gonna take it until we end it.
I love reunion. Okay, Tears on the ball,
Okay, mesemcha mama ngatimboita zvekutamba kwete zvenyu izvi zvekuitwa ngemakangwara. Ngatimborepai neshona mhani mimi machembere aiwa kani tombosiredu. K-Boy.
I love reunion. Put it in the remix with the money flow zix. I'll mix it with the all shake money. I don't care. Going to India. I love reunion. Do it with the best and who'll never be the worst. And everybody knows that. Okay,
Them guys are crazy. Deal hazy. Deal thugly. Do my doggy. And I'm fugly. Like all the dogly. Cause all them niggas, they're like Nuru. He's crazy.